Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable the Hey Siri feature on your iPhone. So enabling this feature means that whenever you say Hey Siri followed by a command, no matter what application is open or even if your phone is unlocked, Siri will automatically give whatever command that you're asking for. So firstly on settings, open Siri and search, then toggle the switch Hey Siri. Next, just follow the commands Siri is asking you to say into your phone. Siri does this so that your phone is familiarized with your voice. So here, I'm just saying, Hey Siri, send a message. Then, Hey Siri, how's the weather today? And then, Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. And lastly, Hey Siri, play some music. Now, after Siri records your voice and gets familiarized with your voice, the Hey Siri feature on your phone is ready. Now, wherever you are on your phone, you can say, Hey Siri, and Siri will automatically be turned on your phone. So right now I'm saying, Hey Siri, send me to Spotify, and Siri has automatically sent your phone on Spotify. So that is how you turn on the Hey Siri feature on your iPhone. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave any of your questions in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye!